Hi guys, this is Poet Spice, Jamie and Lola Tallulah, and I am here to do a collaboration with BeebeeCrafts.com. So they have a promotion where, or program I should say, where it's a YouTube program, and if you have 100 subscribers or more, you can go over to their products, their website, and apply to be a collaborator. So I will leave those links in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the first items that I have received. So you'll definitely need to go over to BeebeeCrafts and check these items out. I will have those links below in the description box, as well as a coupon code for my viewers to get $5 off of a $40 spend. Yes, who doesn't love a coupon? So let's go ahead and get started. First, I wanted to show this kit. Now, it came wonderfully packed with bubble wrap, which is awesome because that means it was secure. And it is a jewelry findings kit. Now, I have not made jewelry on this channel in a while, but I do jewelry making and charms and so forth. So here is the box. And as you see, it comes full of goodness. We all know goodness is lovely. So it has these little snaps. And there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So there's 24 sections. And I got the set that has your 4 different colors in them. So you have different pieces. So different jewelry findings. And it's so fabulous because there's plenty of bits to work with. And I do like making charms and earrings and rings and so forth. And I thought this would be a perfect time to go ahead and play with some of their items. So it's fabulous. So you can see those. Then, if we go ahead and look, there are some copper ones. Lovely. And so each of the, I'm trying to see if they're the same in each color. And it looks like it is. So, you have these here, and then so you have them in the copper. Antique bronze, and then there's gold. All fabulous. Got your silver. And so you have those colors in each one. So it'll be fabulous to play with. It's so awesome. They have some other kits as well so that you can go check those out. And then all you have to do is just go ahead and snap that down. Awesome. And there's also this little tab up here so that if you did have like a pegboard or something, you could hang it on that. So that was the first item. And then I've got this jewelry making kit. It's so cute. I love the box. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? So just open this up. And inside, they give you instructions. So that's pretty cool, particularly if you're a newbie, to get some instructions on making various things, plus also just what they have in their kit. And so you can see what they have. And then you have another one of those little boxes, which is cool. It's always cool to have little containers all ready to go. And then so when you look in it, you've got these little butterflies, and they're so thin. I don't want to take them out though, so you can see how thin they are. Look at that, so cute. And then you have some blue ones, so you know I was all about the blue and the purple. Then you have some darker blue purple ones and some flowers to go in it. Here you have, now these are, they feel like acrylic. Yes. So you have different shaped beads. And different colors. You have various ring pieces to build whatever it is you're looking for. In this case, it's earrings. They have earrings in this one, but you do not have to use them just for earrings. They have different types of dangles with different types of hooks at the end, so you can create those images. And then in this larger piece, they have your ear wires. They have some little teeny tiny bits. Let me see, is it chain or rings? Let me see. Little chain. This one's chain. And then this one has little rings. And then you have some head pins. And then it also comes with an extra little piece if you were to separate this. So you can, oops, put it upside down. So you could separate this little piece right here. Put that in. I think I put it in sideways. There we go. So you could do that. Awesome sauce. I just thought that would be fun to play with. And I'm going to take that back out so I don't bend the pins. Just to be fun to play with and then to mix these two up. So that was that set. Then, of course, it would not be me if I did not have dies. So I got 2 sets of dies. And I liked how they came packaged. First, they came in a little plastic piece like this. And then that is in a Ziploc bag or zipped bag, which is fabulous because you can always keep this bag. Instead of having magnetic sheets, you can just go ahead and put your die pieces in here. So it is actually packed like this, and it's 4 dies. And so I'm going to show you the first set. So it's one here and one there. And you can see where you should cut. So these bits here are where you're going to cut. So I would cut this little one off like that. And you can cut this one off. Does that make sense? Sometimes you can bend them off. So you have this piece. And then you would go here. And just be careful when you are snipping these things off, they can go flying. So you definitely want to be careful. So you have this piece coming up here. So you definitely want to be careful because when they go flying, they can go flying. And you don't want to get poked or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you how to do that real quick. And then you can do, see, that'll bend right off. So you have this section, and it doesn't cut at the bottom so that you can make this part as long as you want so that you can layer them and stack them. And see, I have this little piece here. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that off. And then you can do the same with this one. So you see, I'm just taking these little pieces. And so you want to save your star, just take that piece, hold it, bend your star off. So you have this layer. And then this layer, you've got your little Christmas tree, or you could just make it a regular tree. So I'll show you how to do that. So cute. Puts a little snowflake. And so you just want to hold that onto that, pull those little pieces off. And we can do the same thing with the moon. So these bigger pieces like this, you just pull those off. And then the moon pieces with the stars will come off. So it's so cute. Isn't that adorable? So you get all these little pieces, right? And then you have your second set. And you can just snip those as well. So that's how you do that. So that's one set of cute layering houses. Then I'll show you this second set. Oh, and if you remember my previous videos, so it comes the same way. Here, this, and then in this. And this is another perfect one about, yes. So it is cute little animals that you can create. So you've got this big set here. And this one was easy. Just go ahead and pull this off like that. Boop. So you've got your plate. And here's another plate of like ears and eyes. And we'll get this off here. And then this you will cut apart. And you've got like a tail and the body, the feet, and so forth. It's so cute. So adorable. So I cannot wait to play with these and show you what they look like and just have fun. So like I said, definitely go to BeebeeCrafts, check out their products. You can look at their YouTube program. And also there is a $5 off of a $40 spend code. And I shall see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for some tutorials coming.